Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your trading password on the KuCoin application if you have forgotten it. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin app on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your login password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you have forgotten your trading password, then in order to reset this, tap on your account icon at the top left corner, then tap on Security. And now you will see the trading password section underneath login password. Tap on the change button alongside, and now you will be allowed to enter your old password as well as your desired new password. Underneath the change option, you will also see the forgot trading password button. So go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to verify your identity. Just tap on the send button to receive a verification code within your email address or your phone. After tapping on the button, just check your inbox, and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the given box, and now you will need to use your verification ID in order to prove your identity. You can tap on the given box to upload a photo from your gallery. After uploading both the pages, you can tap on the start button, and once your ID has been verified, you will now be allowed to create a new trading password. Just type in your desired trading password and then tap on the confirm button, and now your trading password has successfully been reset. You will now be able to use this new trading password with every trade that you make. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your trading password on the KuCoin application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.